Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'll show you how to change your font size and display size on a LENOVO tablet K11 Plus. To change the font size and display size, first you have to swipe down from the top of your screen and go into Settings. Then go into Display, swipe down to find Display and Size text. And here you have two sliders. First makes the font size bigger or smaller, and the second one makes the display size bigger or smaller. You can also set it to bold text. That's how it would look like. Now let's put it down to smaller again. And that's how it looks like. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.